back to another interesting tutorial about Google account settings, and in this video I'll show you on how to change or update your legal address on your Google account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your phone settings and scroll down right here until you get to Google. Go ahead and click on Google account. Proceed with your Google account name. Go ahead and click on Google account. Now you are here. So scroll down right here under your personal info. Click on personal info. Then scroll down right here until you get to other addresses right here. So if you have not had a legal address, you can click on other addresses. So once you click on other addresses, you will be asked to enter all your legal addresses right here. But in some cases, if you want to remove the address, it's still the same process. So you found all your addresses right here. Now for you to remove so you can see your legal address right here. So for you to remove your legal address, simply go ahead and click on it. Now you are here, you go. So next thing you want to do right here, as you can see, change legal address. So go ahead and click on change legal address and add a new legal address, or you completely remove it from your Google account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.